less and less of the blood to flow, because they'll be pressing on some blood vessels.
Yes.
As they press the blood vessels, again, you'll find that that pressure again increases, because it's a normal kind of passage, then some swelling is there along the path or somewhere in the neighborhood. Automatically, it presses that space, so it's reduced, pressure increases. That's another angle through which hypertension comes in, and also therefore possibility of organ failure.
Wow.
Another last angle to that cancer-related stuff, cancer, when it comes to, let's say, the malignant cancers, because cancers can be either benign, that is, the cells, yes, have multiplied and have grown, there's just a swelling, but it has not expanded to other parts of the body. That swelling alone can cause those problems. But it's worse when it now starts spreading to other parts of the body, what you call malignant tumor.
Yes.
That means different cells now are actually getting moved to different parts of the body through the blood system and other systems.
Yes.
So they'll get also deposited on the way. Just like you see water moving along during inhalation process, you find it carries soil, deposits some along the way as it moves. So the same thing happens along this system. So as the movement takes place, then you find that various cancer cells sort of get deposited on different parts of the body, and therefore worsening the cancer.
Yes.
That is now relationship between the air pollutants, the air quality, and cardiovascular. I was actually more into now the cardiovascular. How the particles, the pollutants moved from the blood, from the respiratory system through either the alveoli or through some other systems, or whatever passed through the mouth, it went into the system somehow.
There's something I would like us to look at. Now that you've been looking at air quality, specifically in Nairobi County, can you, in a nutshell, give us the status of air quality in Nairobi, where we live, where we are talking to people, where you and me are right now, so that we get a picture of how the situation is?
Thanks, Ross, for that. I'll quickly just give you some quick data. This one I must look at them.
Okay.
I don't want to give offhead so that some can get mixed up.
Yes.
Because we are communicating issues that are supposed to be factual.
Yes.
So yes, I did mention that we actually have been doing air quality monitoring, focusing on particulate matter 2.5, PM 2.5 for the last 3 years at 2 levels, using what we call the gold standard equipment, beta attenuation monitor 1022, based in Parklands campus, University of Nairobi. That has been able to give us the general PM 2.5 levels to around 19 across the 3 years. 19 average figure across the 3 years. Now, what's 19? 19 micrometers per meter cubed, micrograms per meter cubed, to mean anything that is more than 10 normally starts becoming of concern to us. Okay. Because that's the level that WHO has initially in the past set for the minimum that should be the annual average.
Okay.
Yeah, the annual average. The daily average can be a little bit higher, up to 25.
Yeah.
But it's assumed that there could be some days that are high, some days are low.
Lower.
That's why daily averages normally up to 25 are accepted.
Yes.
But for annual, long term, 10 should not be exceeded.
Okay.
Now, so when you look at, therefore, the beta attenuation monitor, it has given us a average figure of 19. But you see, that also covered the COVID restriction time, which means if it were not the COVID restriction, perhaps it could be a little bit higher.
Yes.
So that's something to watch, something to sort of think about. It's not a perfect figure. And measurement of the particulate matter at 2 levels using the beta attenuation monitor, which gave us a figure over a period of 3 years, a mean figure of 19 micrograms per meter cubed. Mercury, anything beyond 10 is supposed to be a challenge in terms of health. That's as per the WHO figures. That is annual mean. So here we are talking about 19.
19, yeah.
Now, so that's for the BAM, Beta Attenuation Monitor, a gold standard, which measures the air quality over a radius of 4 kilometers. Now, so then you're also able to have what we call the micro kind of catchment
Okay.
So what you call the low-cost kind of samplers. And these are sort of, we have 10 of them.
Yes.
One of them was co-located, in other words, put within a short distance from the BAM so that you're able to see the comparison.
Yeah.
But then, of course, now we also had within the city of Nairobi 10 schools, public primary schools, for reasons that we are looking at schools that one class could be able to give us up to 100 kids, because we wanted to also do spirometry for the 1,000 kids.
Yes.
Now, so starting with the levels of PM 2.5 from the e-samplers, which we actually did sort of mount in those schools over the last 3 years, the main figures are as follows. Karen C primary school, which is in Langata.
Yeah.
This is Karen area.
Yeah, we're in Karen.
Yeah, so basically that one has got 11.
Okay.
A level of PM level of 11, that is micrograms per meter cubed. So basically it's like the cleanest. Nairobi Primary School follows number 2 at 14 micrograms per meter cubed.
Yes.
That's in Westlands. Then of course we come to Langata, sorry, Olympic.
Okay.
Olympic, that's also that's in Langata. It has 14 also. Then we come to St. Ibakita in Makadara,
Yes.
which is at the level of 15 micrograms per meter cubed. Then you come to Riruta, which is in Dagoretti. That one also has got 15 micrograms per meter cubed. Of course, I avoided the decimal points.
Yes.
Yeah, for a general kind of interpretation of just. Then we come, the next is actually Embakasi Primary School in Embakasi Sub-County. That has got 18 micrograms per meter cubed.
Okay.
Then we have James Gichuru in Embakasi. Now, we actually went into Embakasi twice because Embakasi looked very, very wide. Also with a very diverse kind of socioeconomic kind of disparities. Embakasi on the extreme end, then James Gichuru, the proximity to the Dandara dam site, where because we don't sort our wastes, we throw unsorted wastes, then we have all the burning taking place so that people can actually extract what they're actually looking for. And that is part of how the particulate matter actually increase around that area. So James Gichuru, therefore, has got a level of 24. But Dogo in Kasarani is 28. Again, that's industrial area. Some industrial area.
Yeah.
Proximate also to Thika Road, and then a wide network of roads there, plus of course the industrial kind of environment there. Then you have Heshima Road in Kamukunji. That is right next to Njogo Road.
Yes.
Njogo Road is a heavily kind of used road. In fact, I think it's one of those with the heaviest burden of vehicles, traffic in the city. Then that's at 30. Heshima Road Primary School is 30. Then we lastly have Moi Avenue Primary School right within the CBD.
Yes.
That's in Starehe at 35. So that is extremely high.
We are going for a short break. Stay tuned on the platform.